Getting new windows installed is an exciting home improvement project that can increase the value of your property, enhance your energy efficiency, and improve your home's aesthetic appeal. However, before the work begins, there are several important steps you can take to ensure the process runs smoothly and with minimal disruption. If you're in Cayce, SC, here's a helpful guide on how to prepare your home for a window installation project. Clear the area around your windows. The first step in preparing your home for window installation is clearing the area around the windows where the installation will take place. This includes moving furniture, rugs, and other items that may obstruct the worker's access. If you have any delicate or valuable items near the windows, it's best to move them out of the room entirely. This helps ensure that nothing is accidentally damaged during the process. You should also remove any window treatments, such as curtains, blinds, or drapes. These items can get in the way and may even get damaged by dust or debris during the installation. By removing them ahead of time, you ensure that the installers can work efficiently and without hindrance. Secure pets and children. Having pets and young children around during a window installation can make the process stressful for both them and the workers. To keep everyone safe and comfortable, it's a good idea to keep pets in a separate room or outside during the installation. This will also reduce the likelihood of pets getting startled by the noise or the presence of unfamiliar workers. For young children, it's best to ensure they stay in a part of the house away from the work area. The installation can involve loud sounds from power tools, which may be unsettling for kids. By keeping them occupied elsewhere, you'll help them stay safe and avoid any disruptions to the installation. Plan for temporary disruption. Window installation can create temporary disruptions in your home. There will be noise from tools, dust, and the removal of old windows. It's important to prepare yourself for these temporary inconveniences. To minimize discomfort, try to plan the installation for a time when you can be away from the house, if possible. If you're staying home, consider working in a room that's not affected by the installation. You might also want to cover furniture and floors near the installation area with drop cloths or plastic sheeting to protect them from dust and debris. Professional window installers usually do a good job of cleaning up, but taking these extra precautions can help ensure your home remains in good condition throughout the project. Ensure easy access to the work area. For the window installers to work efficiently, they need to have clear and easy access to both the inside and outside of your home. Move any obstacles, such as outdoor furniture, vehicles, or landscaping, that might block access to the windows. Additionally, make sure gates or fences are unlocked so the workers can easily move in and out of your property. If your windows are on the upper levels of your home, ensure that the installers have a safe and clear path for setting up ladders or scaffolding. If you have landscaping near the windows, consider trimming bushes or plants to give installers the space they need. Confirm the installation details with the contractor before the installation day. It's important to confirm all the details with your window contractor. Review the installation schedule and ensure that the workers know where to park, how to access your home, and any specific requirements you may have. This is also a great time to double-check that the correct windows have been ordered and that there are no last-minute changes to the plan. Don't hesitate to ask any questions you may have regarding the installation process, including how long it will take, what to expect, and any steps you should take to help facilitate the work. Being on the same page with your contractor ensures that the project goes smoothly. Be ready for final inspection. Once the installation is complete, the contractor will typically perform a final inspection to ensure the windows are properly installed and functioning. This is your opportunity to review the work, ask questions, and point out any concerns you might have. It's important to do this while the crew is still on site so any issues can be addressed immediately. In Cayce, where the weather can be hot and humid, make sure the windows are sealed correctly to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. A thorough inspection will help ensure the windows are installed to your satisfaction. Conclusion: preparing your home for a window installation project in Cayce is key to ensuring a smooth and efficient process. By clearing the area around the windows, securing pets and children, planning for disruptions, and confirming the details with your contractor, you'll set the stage for a successful installation. With just a little preparation, you can enjoy your new windows without unnecessary stress or inconvenience.